Hey guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Katrina. Today I would like to introduce our new Sublimation aluminum water bottle, and they feature lightweight and portable design, so you can carry them anywhere you want, no matter where you go, your favorite coffee shop, gym, or doing exercises. It would be a great option. And they are leak-proofed, and their lips comes in a variety of colors. So it will match whatever color scheme your outfit happens to be. And this trendy water bottle can be the great gifts for this holiday season. And make sublimation printing with your favorite design for friends, families, and your loved ones. That will be very awesome. And next I will show you how to print them. If you are curious about that, keep watching.